Indonesia, a country of incredible diversity, houses some of the most breathtaking landscapes on the planet. Nestled comfortably between the vast Indian and Pacific Oceans, this Southeast Asian nation is an archipelago of over 17,000 islands, each one a treasure trove of natural beauty. From the emerald green rice terraces of Bali to the fiery peaks of Java's volcanoes, from the pristine beaches of Lombok to the dense wildlife-rich jungles of Sumatra, Indonesia is a land of contrasts that seamlessly blends the serene with the spectacular. It's a place where ancient traditions meet stunning landscapes, creating a blend of beauty and culture that's unique to this corner of the world. Each of its islands offers a unique perspective on the country's scenic beauty, an invitation to an adventure that promises to be as diverse as the landscapes themselves. Join us on this exciting journey as we explore the best scenery in Indonesia. Bali, known as the Island of the Gods, is a paradise on Earth. This Indonesian jewel is a haven that never ceases to bewitch with its enchanting beaches. Imagine the feeling of warm sand beneath your toes, the sun gracing your skin, and the sound of waves rhythmically lapping the shore. This is the reality of Bali's beaches. Each one is a slice of heaven, a sanctuary of serenity that enchants every visitor. The beaches of Bali are as diverse as they are beautiful. There are the famous stretches of sand, like Kuta and Seminyak, where surfers ride the waves and sunseekers lounge in the tropical warmth. Then there are the hidden gems, like Balangan and Bingan, where limestone cliffs provide a stunning backdrop to the azure waters. The southern peninsula of Bali is home to the likes of Dreamland and Padang Padang, famed for their clear waters that mirror the sky. These are places where time seems to stand still, where the rhythm of the tide dictates the pace of life. Bali's beaches aren't just about sunbathing and surfing, they're also about the mesmerizing sunsets that paint the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple. As the sun dips below the horizon, the world seems to hold its breath, captivated by the spectacle. It's a scene that's as enchanting as it is ephemeral. And then there's the magic of the night. The beaches of Bali transform under the cover of darkness, becoming vibrant hubs of activity. Beach clubs thrum with music, fire dancers illuminate the sand, and the air is filled with the scent of delicious street food. From the break of dawn till the starry night, Bali's beaches are a symphony of sights, sounds, and sensations. They're places of joy and tranquility, of adventure and relaxation. The beaches of Bali are more than just stretches of sand. They're a testament to the island's natural beauty, a showcase of its vibrant culture and a reminder of the simple joy of being at one with nature. A trip to Bali is incomplete without experiencing these heavenly beaches. So when you find yourself longing for a tropical escape, remember the enchanting beaches of Bali. They're waiting to welcome you into their embrace. Next, we journey to East Java, where the majestic Mount Bromo awaits us. A part of the Bromo Tengger Semeru National Park, this active volcano is a marvel to behold. It's not just a mountain, but a spectacle, a performance by nature that leaves everyone spellbound. Imagine standing on the edge of the caldera, feeling the cold morning breeze against your skin. The sky is still a deep blue, with the faintest hint of light trying to peek through the horizon. Then, slowly, the sun starts to rise, painting a breathtaking canvas of colors across the sky. It's an awe-inspiring sunrise that seems to breathe life into the world. The ethereal beauty of this moment is something that words can hardly do justice. Beneath the towering peak of Mount Bromo lies a vast expanse known as the Sea of Sand. This lunar-like landscape, stretching as far as the eye can see, adds an otherworldly charm to the place. Trudging through the soft, volcanic sand, you feel like you're on a different planet, lost in time and space. Mount Bromo is not just about the landscapes, it's also about the people. The Tenggerese, the indigenous people of the region, have a rich culture deeply rooted in tradition. Once a year, during the Yadnya Kasada festival, they climb up Mount Bromo to throw offerings into the volcano's crater. It's a fascinating ritual, a unique blend of faith, courage, and respect for nature. The magic of Mount Bromo is in its ability to make you feel small, yet significant. Standing there amidst the vast sea of sand under the endless sky, you realize how grand the universe is and yet, how valuable each moment of life can be. Mount Bromo is a testament to the raw, natural beauty of Indonesia. It's a place that reminds us to appreciate the world around us, to marvel at its wonders, and to respect its power. So, if you're seeking an experience that's both humbling and exhilarating, a journey that's as much about self-discovery as it is about exploration, Mount Bromo awaits you. Our journey continues to the vibrant Raja Ampat Islands, a diver's paradise. Nestled in the heart of Indonesia's West Papua province, Raja Ampat is a constellation of over 1,500 islands, each one more breathtaking than the last. This archipelago is a mecca for marine biodiversity, boasting more than 75% of the world's coral species. It's an underwater kaleidoscope, a dazzling display of colors and life that leaves even the most seasoned divers in awe. Imagine, if you will, plunging into the warm, crystal-clear waters surrounded by a myriad of marine life. Schools of vibrantly colored fish darting in and out of the coral, sea turtles gliding gracefully by. And if you're lucky, you might even spot the elusive manta ray. It's a symphony of life beneath the waves, an experience that's as humbling as it is exhilarating. But Raja Ampat's charm isn't confined to its underwater wonders. Above the surface, it's a landscape straight out of a dream. The islands themselves are unique karst formations, jutting dramatically out of the turquoise sea. Their rugged limestone cliffs are adorned with lush greenery, a stark contrast to the azure waters below. As you navigate through the islands, every turn reveals a new, stunning vista, a fresh canvas painted by Mother Nature herself. The islands are also home to a rich tapestry of cultures. The indigenous communities here have lived in harmony with their environment for generations, their way of life intrinsically linked to the sea. Their traditions, their stories, and their warmth add another layer to the allure of Raja Ampat. When the sun sets on these islands, it's nothing short of magical. The sky is set ablaze with hues of pink, orange, and purple, reflected in the glassy sea below. It's a spectacle that puts the perfect full stop to your day of exploration. Raja Ampat is truly a jewel in Indonesia's crown, a place where nature's grandeur is on full display both above and below the water. It's not just a destination, but an experience, a living, breathing testament to the beauty of our planet. We now head to North Sumatra to explore the enchanting Lake Toba. Imagine a lake so vast it feels like gazing upon an ocean. Lake Toba, the largest volcanic lake on the planet, is a mesmerizing sight, nestled within the lush green mountains of North Sumatra. A product of a colossal volcanic eruption around 74,000 years ago, this breathtaking lake spans over 1,000 square kilometers, with depths reaching up to 500 meters. As we delve into this captivating spectacle, we find a gem within a gem. Samosir Island, the world's largest island within an island, rests peacefully in the heart of Lake Toba. A place of awe-inspiring beauty, Samosir is the cultural epicenter of the indigenous Batak people. The Batak culture is as rich and vibrant as the lake itself. Their iconic houses, adorned with buffalo horn-shaped roofs, stand tall against the backdrop of the serene lake. The Batak people's music, a harmonious blend of gongs and drums, echoes through the valleys, adding an extra layer of magic to this already enchanting place. The allure of Lake Toba extends beyond its visual charm. The lake's waters, calm and tranquil, invite you to take a dip, to immerse yourself in its cool embrace. Whether you're taking a leisurely boat ride or simply sitting by the water's edge, the lake offers a sense of peace and tranquility that is truly unmatched. The local cuisine is another highlight of the Lake Toba experience. From the spicy Batak grilled fish to the sweet and tangy passion fruit, every bite is an exploration of unique flavors, a testament to the rich culinary traditions of the Batak people. The enchanting Lake Toba is more than just a beautiful landscape. It's an experience that engages all your senses, a place where nature, culture, and history intertwine seamlessly. It's a testament to the awe-inspiring beauty that Indonesia has to offer, and a reminder of the magical places that await us in the world. Lake Toba's tranquil beauty is a sight to behold. Indonesia's scenic beauty is a testament to nature's grandeur. As we've seen, it's a land of contrasts, filled with enchanting beaches in Bali, majestic mountain vistas around Mount Bromo, vibrant underwater paradises in Raja Ampat Islands, and the serene beauty of Lake Toba. Each spot we've visited has its own unique charm, its own story to tell. This diversity, this richness, is what makes Indonesia a dream destination for travel enthusiasts. We've only just scratched the surface of this incredible country. There's so much more to see, so many more stories waiting to be told, so let's keep this journey going, let's keep exploring together. Now we want to hear from you. Which area of the world should we explore next? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Your support helps our channel grow. Until next time, keep exploring.